Hey, what's going on? JD here, and I have a quick unboxing for you. Today we are going to unbox some Endur Performance socks. We're going to show you what is new with these guys. If you've watched this channel for a while, this is not the first unboxing that I've done for these socks. I regard these as one of the best performance cycling socks. But full disclosure, I am an ambassador for Endur. So just keep that in mind. Just also note when I made that first video that I was not an ambassador for Endur. I just use their products. I use them, regardless. I wear these every day, and especially when I'm cycling. And even if I wasn't an ambassador, I would continue to use these because I think they are fantastic performance socks. So one of the things new I noticed when I got this package here, it's like, hey, I'm 100% compostable mailer, which is fantastic. Being environmentally friendly, always a good thing. And it looks like this guy is reusable as well. So we're just going to cut this open and jump into it. So I'm just going to quickly cut through here and cut down through here, or we're going to continue to go through here. Just try to be careful not to, mess it up too much so we could actually use this again. And like I said, this guy is fully compostable. So there we go. So you got a nice to re-stick it. We're going to pull out the socks here. And we've got a few different guys. So you can see we've got different ways to pack it. We've got the You Got This socks, which kind of cool, with just a more basic looking sock. White for obviously white shoes, black for the black shoes. And then we've got these guys here, which is super cool. These are what is new, but we're going to take a look at those in a second. We've got a night and a day thing, and then we've just got a couple of the regular crew socks. So these guys are what they're calling mids. We're going to pop these guys out, take a look at them, and show you what's new. So the mid sock is just that little bit shorter than the crew sock. So here's the crew sock here, and you can see these guys are greatly colorful. These are size 10. So if we line up the seat or the seams and the toes, you can see we've lost about an inch or so off the top. So some people don't like their socks quite as long as I do. I definitely like to go with this. You can even get higher socks from these guys as well, but that's up to your knee. And you can also get ankle height socks if you're a runner or if you do triathlon. But the beauty again of these guys is that they are super colorful. And if we take a look at the socks, you can see it's a seamless toe box, which is always very important. It's a Y stitched heel. We've got some good arch support here in the sock as well, and the sock is vented. You can see some of that venting there. So what it does is it wicks the moisture away from your skin and keeps your feet nice and dry. It's really kind of what I look for in a performance sock. And the other great part about it is, and especially with the longer socks here, is it has that compression at the top. I have always found that these socks never sort of ride down. I have had issues with other socks in the past, and that's why I really kind of like these guys, because they stay on when you put them on, and then they have all these great features. So again, fantastic socks. I do have a code for you as well. If you are interested in getting these socks, you can use the code, get 15% off over at Endur, which I think is well worth it. And you can find that down in the comments below, and I'll try to pop that up on the screen as well. But there's sort of a wide variety of colors and designs, and you can kind of go with whatever you like. And, that's sort of the beauty of these socks. You can see that this is actually embroidered on the You Got This socks. So they're actually embroidered inside, which is really, really nice. A lot of these other ones, the fancy colors, you can see they are printed on, and the color does stay. I have socks that have been around for a very, very long time. If you've watched the vlogs, you will see the wide variety of Endur socks that I do wear that I have accumulated over time. So again, great, fantastic socks. You know, I particularly like these donuts. I think they are super cool. And again, we've got this nice, you know, kind of night design, very similar patterns for day, one for night, but they put a lot of thought into the designs, and they are constantly changing designs. They are constantly adding new designs to sort of their stable, and they're retiring designs. So the cool part is that you can get something sort of unique. And if you're like myself and you wear black bibs typically in a black jersey, it's a nice little splash of color for yourself. So there you go. That is a quick look at Endur socks. Of course, showing off the new mid socks, which are a little bit shorter than the crew. Still absolutely fantastic value for you. These are great for riding. I do highly recommend them. And of course, the code is below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notifications. And until next time, see ya.